The Flexio family of sprayers is the only line of indoor-outdoor sprayers that deliver unmatched power and control for all painting projects. The Flexio 990 makes quick work of large painting projects because the direct feed pump pulls paint or stain directly from the can, saving you the time and mess of refilling. No other sprayer allows you to continuously paint large interior or exterior projects with this level of control, while achieving this quality of finish. With the patented X-Boost turbine and iSpray nozzle design, the Flexio 990 sprayer is versatile enough for all of your painting jobs. The Flexio 990's exclusive iSpray nozzle has the ability to spray any residential coating, even on thin latex. It's great for broad surfaces and fast coverage. The Flexio 990 kit also comes with the Control Finish nozzle for small project painting and fine finishing. The X-Boost turbine provides the power for full coverage with adjustable control and low overspray. The innovative peristaltic pump draws paint from the container for a continuous flow to the spray gun. Projects can be completed quickly with the highest quality and consistency because you won't have to refill. When using a ladder during painting, the Flexio 990 spray gun can be conveniently placed into the provided belt clip. The gun clips securely into the holster, leaving your hands free for repositioning during painting. The Flexio 990 delivers contractor performance, such as spraying up to 9 gallons per hour and a 2-story reach. Benefits like one-step setup and hands-free cleaning make the 990 DIY friendly. It's perfect for full interior remodels and complete exterior house painting. Before starting your project, be sure to review the owner's manual and quick start guide. Make sure to properly mask and cover anything that will not be painted. The Flexio 990 masking guide includes some great suggestions and instructions. To get started, unhook the yellow handle and release the paint hose and power cord, and place the handle in its storage position. Slide the suction tube holder up. Place your paint container underneath. Then, slide the holder back down to secure the container to the pump. Finally, guide the hose through the hose clip and into the paint can. To prime the system for use, pull up on the yellow bracket to release the spray gun. Push the power button to turn on the pump. Paint will begin flowing up the suction tube, then into the paint hose. It may take some time for the paint to reach the gun. Point the spray gun into an empty waste container. Squeeze and hold the trigger. Continue to hold the trigger until a steady flow of paint is spraying through the nozzle. You will experience 2 to 3 air bubbles before it's completely primed. The Flexio 990 can also be converted to a handheld sprayer and comes with a gun and cup for small painting projects and finishing work. To convert, first remove the straps that hold the cord and hose together. Then, unplug the turbine power cord. Press down on the tab below the trigger and twist the direct feed gun to remove. Replace with the Control Finish gun and cup, and you are ready for the next part of your project. Once the setup is complete for the 990, you can take on any project. The Flexio 990 sprayer is ideal for large interior or exterior projects. The integrated spray controls let you adjust the material volume, spray width, and spray shape to achieve the best results for any project. Before starting your project, it's important to practice and get familiar with the sprayer. A spray poster is provided as a reference guide so you can adjust the size and pattern of the spray while you get comfortable with it. The Flexio 990 has a 2-stage trigger system. Partially squeeze the trigger to start the turbine. Pull back on the trigger completely to start spraying. Hold the sprayer 6 to 8 inches away from the surface as you begin to spray. Remember to keep your arms straight as you spray and move in a direction parallel to the surface. Bending your wrists or slowing your pace tends to leave too much paint in one spot. It's also a good idea to wipe the tip of your sprayer periodically, as dried paint will disrupt your spray pattern. The adjustment ring on your Flexio 990 sprayer determines the width and shape of the spray pattern. To spray up and down along the surface, select a horizontal spray pattern. For side-to-side spraying, select a vertical pattern. The red spray switch can select between a narrow or wide pattern. The Flexio 990 is equipped with variable speed air power control. The X-Boost power dial adjusts the level of air pressure produced by the turbine. The X-Boost dial is factory set at maximum out of the box. Lower settings are for thinner materials such as stains and sealers. Higher settings are for heavy materials such as enamels, primers, and latex. The material flow control determines the amount of material that is sprayed from the gun. For thicker materials, it's recommended that you start with a 5-flow setting and then gradually increase to suit your desired speed and finish. The recommendation for spraying thinner materials is to start on the lowest flow setting and then gradually increase the flow for optimal spraying results. The Flexio 990 has a stationary base unit with a peristaltic pump that draws paint directly from the container. This unit works with 1 to 5 gallon containers, so you can spend your time painting, not refilling. For best results when spraying interior walls, start by cutting in the corners along the ceiling and floor. Then fill in going up and down. When spraying siding, follow a horizontal pattern. This will give you an even finish without streaks. When you need to complete the project by painting trim or do some small area painting, convert the 990 to a handheld sprayer with a control finish gun and cup. To do this, follow the steps described in the setup video. Painting with the control finish nozzle uses the same power adjustment and has a material flow control on the trigger. The 28-ounce cup allows you to spray small amounts with quick color change and fast cleanup. The Flexio 990 is simple to use and gives you the power and control to take on any project. Once you've finished your painting project, it's important to thoroughly clean your sprayer. Make sure a drop cloth is placed underneath the pump and material container to catch any drips. Leave the pump connected to the paint can. To purge the paint hose, turn the power switch off and pull the suction tube out of the paint. Separate the nozzle from the turbine. Turn the material flow control knob to 12. Point the nozzle into the can and hook the nozzle onto the empty suction tube holder. Squeeze the trigger and pull out the red trigger stop. This will keep the nozzle open while cleaning. Turn the pump back on. Allow the pump to run until all paint is purged from the spray hose. To flush the nozzle, remove the material container and replace it with the appropriate cleaning solution. Use a bucket of soapy water for latex materials and mineral spirits for oil-based materials. Fully submerge the suction tube, turn the pump on, and allow the cleaning solution to circulate for 5 minutes. While the pump is running, remove the suction hose from the cleaning solution and allow the hose and gun to be pumped empty. Repeat this cleaning process twice. When the cleaning procedure is complete, remove the suction tube from the holder and raise it up so it's vertical. This will allow all fluids to be purged. To empty the paint hose of cleaning solution, start near the pump and lift the hose. Walk the hose through your elevated hands until you reach the nozzle. This allows gravity to fully drain the hose of all liquids. To clean the regulator, unscrew the spray hose from the nozzle and remove the regulator cover. Pull the red latch forward to release the regulator. Clean the openings in the regulator with cleaning solution and the small brush that's provided. Replace the regulator and cover. To clean the nozzle of the gun, unlatch the yellow adjustment ring. Unscrew the black connecting nut and remove all parts. Clean each part with the cleaning brush and appropriate cleaning solution. When you've finished cleaning the nozzle pieces, make sure the nozzle seal is positioned with the groove facing out. Insert the yellow nozzle so the opening is in line with the needle. Place the red air screen in the black air cap, and then position both pieces on the yellow nozzle. Screw in the connecting nut to secure all pieces and replace the yellow adjustment ring. Screw the paint hose back into the front end of the gun. After cleaning, apply a small amount of the supplied lubricant to the spray gun O-ring. For easy storage, first coil the hose, push the tube arm down, and pull out the handle strap. Secure the hose to the unit by pulling the handle and strap around the hose and hooking the handle into its locked position. Next, position the gun on the base and lock it into place with the yellow locking arm. If you need additional assistance using or cleaning your Flexio 990, reference your user manual or visit us at wagnerspraytech.com or call us directly at 1-800-328-8251.